Trevor, we've discussed AI's massive potential. Tell me, what's driving such strong interest in traditional industries like construction or manufacturing?
I think when you looked at AI about 5 or 10 years ago, it was this black box. And you looked at deep learning, you looked at machine learning, et cetera, et cetera. But with the advent of large language models and the ability to actually, in some ways, talk to your data, the ability to go through massive terabytes of data, synthesize that information, and present it in a format that's readily understandable and increases the cognitive capacity of the end user has been tremendous, right? So if you look at manufacturing and you look at Honeywell, they talk about the fact that we deliver about 150 million in top line impact to them. Or Black & Veatch, old school engineering company, they use this for automating RFPs. They use this for what they term, bridging the gap, both from a skills perspective, as well as from, in some cases, age gap, because the average age of an employee at Black & Veatch today is about 40 to 50 years old. So they're bridging this gap with AI, right? That's what's so impressive. And when you talk about what Sarah is doing, which is what really intrigued us, and we invited her today, was the fact that she's taking construction and turning this on its end. And we did some channel checks with large construction companies, and they were very impressed with what they heard when we were telling them what Sarah's doing with her company, right?
10% of the world's GDP is managed on digitized paper. And that's completely unstructured data. And so the beauty that happened with generative AI and large language models over the last few years is really that we now have an algorithmic way to turn unstructured data into structured data sets.